In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and divide values from different cells in your spreadsheet. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along whether you're using Excel, Google Sheets, or a similar tool. First, let's add two cells together. In the cell where you want the result to appear, type an equal sign. The equal sign tells your spreadsheet that you're entering a formula, not just plain text. Now click on the first cell you want to include in the calculation. You'll see that the cell reference, like A1 or B2, appears where you type the equal sign. Next, type a plus sign to indicate addition. Then click on the second cell you want to add. At this point, your formula should look something like E1 plus B1, though your exact letters and numbers will depend on your sheet. When you're ready, press enter. The spreadsheet will instantly calculate the sum and display the result in the cell where you type the formula. A quick tip here. If you change the value in either of the cells you referenced, the result updates automatically. That's the power of formulas, and if you ever need to check your work, click on the result cell to see the formula in the formula bar. If you selected the wrong cell by accident, just use backspace to adjust before pressing enter. Now let's divide one cell by another. Again, in the cell where you want the result, type an equal sign. Click the cell that contains the number you want to divide, also known as the numerator. Then type a /, which is the division operator in spreadsheets. After that, click the cell that contains the number you want to divide by, the denominator. Your formula will look like Excel A1B1 based on your own cell references. Press enter to calculate. The result will appear immediately. A few helpful reminders while dividing. Make sure the cell you're dividing by isn't 0. Dividing by 0 will cause an error if your result shows a lot of decimal places. Don't worry, you can format the number later to show fewer decimals without changing the underlying calculation. And if you see an error, click the formula and double check that you selected the correct cells. That's it. Type equals, select the first cell, add a plus or a slash, select the second cell, and press enter. With these basics, you can quickly add and divide values across your spreadsheet with confidence.